Keep your iPhone like new with easy-to-install tempered glass screen protectors that safeguard against accidental drops, impacts, scuffs, cracks, smudges, and scratches, without interfering with a case or charging dock. Ultra-thin, 0.33 mm tempered glass screen protector shield is designed to absorb impacts and crack so that your iPhone screen isn't damaged when dropped. Features 99.9% transparency and touch response. Scratch-resistant, crystal-clear Apple iPhone screen protector features a light coating that resists scuffs and reduces fingerprints. HD tempered glass cover has a surface hardness of 9H. iPhone smartphone glass screen protector is easy to apply, fitting directly on the screen with no air bubbles after installation. Glass covers are case and charging friendly and will not interfere with any ports. Includes 3 TalkWorks tempered glass screen protectors for iPhone, dust removal sticker, cleaning cloth, and alcohol swab. Top reviews from the United States. Easy and works well. The screen was very easy to install. No issues with touchscreen either.